What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. Tonight we're not just looking at a car, we're stepping into a moment in American muscle history where power ruled the streets, style carried authority, and every stoplight felt like a starting line. This is the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 Tribute, a machine that doesn't whisper nostalgia, it roars it unapologetically with the kind of presence that still makes modern supercars pause and pay respect. Before the world learned words like traction control and drive modes, there was raw steel, cubic inches, and a simple promise: press the throttle and feel alive. Picture America in 1970. Gas was cheap, muscle was king, and the Chevelle SS sat right at the center of it all. This tribute captures that era with obsessive attention to detail, recreating the spirit of the original while elevating it into something even more refined, more dramatic, and frankly more desirable. The body lines are bold yet clean, every crease in the sheet metal designed to flex authority. The long hood stretches forward like it's hunting the horizon, while the wide stance plants the car firmly to the pavement, daring anyone nearby to challenge it. The paint on this Chevelle isn't just color, it's an attitude, deep glossy mirror, like reflecting the world around it as if the car itself knows it's the center of attention. Chrome accents glint under the light, not excessive, just enough to remind you that this was the era when cars dressed sharply. The S's badging isn't loud, it doesn't need to be. It's a symbol, a warning, a signature that tells you exactly what you're dealing with. Slide closer and you can almost hear echoes of Saturday nights, drive-ins, and quarter-mile showdowns. The front end carries that unmistakable Chevelle face, muscular and confident, with headlights that seem to stare straight through you. The rear quarters flare with purpose, housing wide tires that hint at the torque waiting beneath the hood. Every angle of this car feels intentional, as if it was sculpted by people who understood that cars weren't just transportation, they were emotion made of steel. Now let's talk about the heart, because this is where legends are born. Under that hood lives the spirit of the 396 cubic inch V8, a big block icon that defined what muscle truly meant. This tribute honors that power with a setup designed to deliver thunder every time the engine fires. Turn the key and the world changes. The idle isn't polite, it's commanding. Each pulse from the exhaust is a reminder that this engine was built to dominate, not to blend in. The sound is deep, aggressive, and unmistakably American. It doesn't scream for attention because it already owns the room. When you roll onto the throttle, the response is instant, brutal, and addictive. Torque surges through the drivetrain like a tidal wave, pushing you back into the seat, making your pulse quicken, reminding you that this is what driving is supposed to feel like. No filters, no artificial enhancement, just raw mechanical truth. Power like this demands respect, and this Chevelle delivers it with confidence. The transmission shifts with authority, each gear change feeling deliberate, mechanical, honest. Acceleration is not just fast, it's dramatic, the kind that makes you laugh out loud because your body can't quite believe what it's experiencing. This is not a car you drive casually. This is a car you experience, one heartbeat at a time. Step inside and the cabin welcomes you with classic muscle car luxury, the kind that prioritizes driver connection over distractions. The seats are firm yet comfortable, designed to hold you in place when the power comes alive. The steering wheel feels substantial in your hands, transmitting the road directly to your senses. Gauges sit clearly in front of you, telling you exactly what the car is doing without unnecessary complexity. This interior doesn't try to impress with screens or gimmicks, it impresses with honesty. Every detail inside feels purposeful. The materials, the textures, even the smell carry you back to a time when cars had soul. You can almost imagine the original owners proud, confident, turning the key and knowing they owned something special. This tribute doesn't just recreate that feeling, it amplifies it, blending authenticity with careful restoration and modern reliability where it matters most. On the road, the Chevelle SS 396 Tribute is an event. People turn their heads before they even see it, guided by the sound alone. When it comes into view, reactions range from smiles to wide-eyed disbelief. Younger enthusiasts recognize it from posters and legends. Older fans remember when these ruled the streets. Everyone understands that this isn't just a car, it's a statement rolling on 4 tires. Cruising feels effortless, the engine loafing along with endless power in reserve. But the moment you ask for more, it responds without hesitation. The chassis feels planted, confident, reminding you that while this car respects its roots, it's been built to be enjoyed, not just admired. This is a tribute meant to be driven, to stretch its legs, to remind the world what true muscle feels like. There's a reason the 1970 Chevelle SS remains one of the most iconic shapes ever produced. It represents a peak, a moment when manufacturers weren't afraid to push boundaries. When performance was celebrated, not regulated into submission. This tribute honors that fearless mindset. It doesn't apologize for being powerful. It doesn't soften its edges. It exists to deliver excitement in its purest form. Owning a car like this isn't about practicality. It's about passion. It's about walking into your garage and feeling something before you even turn the key. It's about knowing that every drive, even a short one, will be memorable. It's about preserving a legacy while enjoying it in the present. In a world filled with quiet, efficient, forgettable vehicles, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 Tribute stands defiantly loud, proud, and unforgettable. It reminds us that cars can be emotional, that machines can have personality, and that driving can be an experience, not just a task. This isn't just metal and horsepower. This is history reborn, power refined, and attitude restored. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a piece of muscle car royalty, something that looks right, sounds right, and feels absolutely right, this Chevelle delivers in every way. It doesn't chase trends. It doesn't need approval. It simply exists as a rolling reminder of when America built cars with courage. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel, because this is the kind of machine we celebrate here. The legends, the icons, the cars that shape generations and still rule the road decades later. If this Chevelle SS 390C6 Tribute stirred something in you, that's because it's doing exactly what it was built to do. This is muscle. This is legacy. This is the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 Tribute, and it never stopped being king.